Alright guys, so this is the video for today. I'm just wearing foundation. Don't worry, I'm going to do my eyes in another video. But you know, this is part one. We gotta get the good dessert. But this is part one, and I just did my foundation. And this foundation is featuring my Juvia's Place foundation. And this video is a huge thank you. Huge shout out goes out to Longqi Hair. I'm wearing their wavy hair. Yeah, I'm wearing their body wave hair. And what I'm gagged about is that I made this wig yesterday. You see how this piece is like almost straight? I'm used to the closures. Oh, it has a little bit of like a thing. I'm used to closures and frontals or body waves going bone straight. I am telling you. That's why and if you've been following me for a while, I don't like to review body wave hair. So I just feel like body wave hair, the closures and the frontals, it makes no sense. I can't just make the wig and like go. By the way, I made this wig. Oh yes, I'm back making wigs after all these videos. I forgot to say that. Like yeah. So remember, I had pregnancy carpal tunnel and it stayed with me about 2 or so weeks after Jaleel, or 2.5 weeks after Jaleel, or 3. It's just now I'm realizing there's absolutely no tingle, not even a schlickle bit. Not even a schlickle bit of tingle, my friend. So it's completely gone, and I give God thanks for that, because now I can start making my wigs. Show you guys these new techniques that I have in making my wigs. So yeah, so I made this wig. I'm wearing 3 bundles and a closure, which you guys saw. I love this. I hope the light is hitting it. This is the natural curl pattern of the hair, and you guys, I have not touched it or anything. I made the wig yesterday. I have not touched it, you guys. I put it down, and this is how good it has been to me. And I'm trying my best not to, like, you know, finger comb it or whatever, because I don't want to lose the little curls that I have, because this is easy for me to do. You know, as a new mother, I have to have Jaleel like right to the front of me, because he was to the side and he was like, why can't I be where you are? But why can't I be where you are now? So he's right in front of me, so to keep him kind of, you know, pacified. I have his pacifier as well. So they're an AliExpress virgin hair company. They do ombre wigs. They make traditional wigs where you can just like put on and go. You don't have to get the bundles or whatever. So yeah, so this is their body wave, and it is so light that I choose. The thing is, I forgot what to choose. This Malaysian body wave, but it's hella light. Like, it's really light. This hair is light. And I was expecting a lot of shedding because of how I did the hair. Like, there's a lot of pieces that I cut to like build around, you know, and I'm not getting that much shedding, which is good. Bless you. Which is good. So yeah, so anyway, please enjoy the video. And again, Longqi, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much for continuing to work with me as this Jamaican girl, you know, doing her YouTube fizzle. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to support Longqi, you guys. Everything for them will be linked in the description bar below. Check them out, follow them, all that good stuff. And yeah, enjoy the video. It's a short video. And I know it's a short video, but I wanted to have a video dedicated to me using Juvia's Place foundation. I'm not just reviewing it, but actually using it. I've been using it since I got it, which has been what, 2 months or a month and a half. So yeah, this is it, you guys, for this intro, and enjoy the video. Alright, so this is the closure, and look at the curls. Oh my gosh, you guys can see that these curls actually last in this closure, and I'm extremely I was really surprised, one, and grateful for that. So this is the baby hairs on it. They're really long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the part with the baby hairs, because behind it is still, you know, something I can work with. So now when sewing on the closure, I'm going to get it right at the edge of the cap and just secure it all the way around. So what I love to do is got the very beginning, and I do like a triple loop around the needle, and then that creates a knot, and that for the entire closure going around. Alright, so now the way how I constructed this wig is that I kept on cutting. This is the last shortest bundle that I have, and look at what I did. You see right where the closure is, I'm sewing it right at the end of the closure. See, that's the closure right there. That's the closure, and I'm putting the hair up right at the last part of the closure, right where the closure ends. Yeah, that's where I'm putting it. So again, I'm just sewing around it, and then now I'm going to like put the hair up, get it up and out of my way, and I'm going to sew the other hair. So I cut it, I didn't do the flip over method. I cut it and then sewed a fresh piece right under the top piece that's right underneath, that's right below the closure. And that's what I did in order to get the fullness that you're going to see in the video, as well as to have that area of the hair, the wig lay really nice and flat. Alright, so this is what the wig looks like. Closure, cap, and I just plucked out a part right there. So this is it, the natural curls. I haven't added any curls to this hair whatsoever. And this is what I love about closure wigs. You just put it on and you literally go. Oh my gosh. All right, I like it. Let me try and bring this more to the front. Oh, this is so nice. Okay, so I'm going to do a full face. So let me just go ahead and see if I can put this out of my way without messing up the curls. Alright, so I can come back with everything on. I'm going to be doing my foundation and stuff off camera, and then I'll be coming back with you guys. Alright, so I did my brows, so now I want to move on. Oh no. Okay. Oh crap. So the brows are done, so now I'm going to move on to my foundation. So the foundation I'll be using is Juvia's Place foundation, and this is in the color Togo. So it's Togo 210. I use 210 and 205. So to apply the foundation, I use my flat top brush. I always use the flat top brush. I love using flat top brushes. I'm going to put a little bit on my hand, and I'm going to be very honest with you. I put about that much. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I don't use a primer whenever I'm using this foundation. My makeup stays on so long. It lasts for the entire day, and I'm extremely pleased. Bless you, bless you, bless you, bless you, bless you. So I still have a good amount left on my hand. I'm just going to apply the other half of my face. This foundation is hella full coverage. Well, at least for me anyway. It's hella full coverage. So I still have a little bit left on my hand, and I am completely covered except for here. And I like to wear it under my neck. So for my highlight, I'm going to be using number 13 concealer. By the way, have you guys seen their new stick? I think it's their stick concealer or some stick something. I saw it on the Instagram because they had reposted somebody was doing the product, and I was like, what? You guys are coming out with what? So that's pretty cool. Also, yo, Fumi's collab with Juvia's Place. Yo man, I mean, I am so happy for her. I am so happy for her. Oh my god, I'm so happy for her. So her collab inspired me to do this, where I do like a full face of Juvia's. Rather than my foundation and everything. All Juvia's. So for my low light, I'm going to be using number 1, and this is the darkest concealer that they have. And this applicator holds so much product. It holds so much product. Because I wipe it off before I started to apply. I'm going to blend along my jawline here. Pull it down. Because I'm getting rid of that double chin, you know. Then I'm going to just blend out everywhere else. Where you take it out? Then the brush. So the brush I used to do my foundation, I'm going over my low light. Then I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and blend out the concealer. So using the same brush I used to do my low light, I'm going to go down the side of my nose. No added product. So I'm taking whatever is on the brush. Then just set that into my socket to kind of prep it for the eyeshadow. And guys, after this point, there is absolutely no more video to watch because I did not film. Now, in my mind, this is what they call memory, even after you have the baby. Because in my mind, I filmed, but I think I remember saying, oh, I just want to do a voiceover, so I'm not going to talk. But I don't remember clicking film. So me setting My foundation is not in this video, and I'm very sorry. This is the finished product. No lashes, no mascara, no nothing. That's what it's supposed to look like. And I just added some more pictures of me wearing Longqi hair again, and some upcoming looks for you guys. I'm so sorry. I literally forgot to press record and film the last portion of the video, and for that I completely apologize. Understood me, yeah, man. The new baby thing, yeah. But thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.